In this presentation, we'll explore the similarities between Billie and Joy razors and provide insights into their comparative features to help you make an informed decision. The main difference between them lies in the handle design. Joy razor features an easy grip, rubbery handle, while Billie razor boasts. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. It's a sleek, ergonomic design with less emphasis on handle softness, offering a different grip experience. In terms of pricing, Billie Razor Starter Kit is priced at $9, including one razor handle, two 5-blade cartridges, and a magnetic shower holder, while Joy Razor is priced slightly lower at $8.97, one razor handle and two razor blades. Additionally, there's a significant price difference in their shaving creams, with Billie Cream priced at $8 and Joy Razor Cream at $3.47. Regarding refill options, Joy Razor comes with one additional head refill in its packaging, but Billie Razor offers a subscription model where customers can receive 4 razor blade refills for $9 delivered at their chosen frequency, ensuring convenience and cost-effectiveness. Both razors feature a 5-blade cartridge design aimed at providing a close and smooth shave, along with a moisture strip attached to the cartridge for skin protection during shaving. In conclusion, while Joy Razor offers a squishy handle with a slip-free grip, Billie Razor stands out for its magnetic shower holder and rounded corners, facilitating shaving in curved spaces like the back of the knee. Moreover, its larger blade saves time during shaving. Feel free to explore the products through the links provided in our description. Thank you for watching.